Hello, everyone. Hi, everybody.
Hello.
Hi.
Oh, look, time is running out. It's your turn. Oh my gosh, hurry up.
Let's go.
Everyone passed. Phew, now we can head to the gate. You just need some golden beach outfits. So, who should I start with? Let's get started on you now.
Okay.
I still have some gold fabric left. It already has a pattern on it. Now, where are my scissors? Here you go. Found the scissors. Time to cut it out. 2 swimsuits turned out. Try them on, girls. Perfect.
Wow.
I'll add some draping on top and tie a perio. For you too, Rumi. Oh, these shoes really don't fit. Let's swap them for gold ones. We'll put gold sunglasses on you, Rumi. And you too, little one. Wow, you look so stylish. I like it. Awesome. Cool. The outfits are ready. It's time for you to go back. Rumi, Ginu, where's our derby? Meow. Hooray, you're here. Now we can fly. Now it's our turn. And you get a silver vacation. Your outfits are ready.
Yay!
Hooray, silver vacation. Yeah. Awesome. Whoa, it's heavy. Hello, dear passengers. Welcome on board. I'll give you a quick safety briefing now. Oh, geez, it's them. It's Huntrix.
Wow.
Rumi and Ginu on my plane. Oh my gosh, I know all your songs. Wow, it's our fan. So unexpected. Whoa, we finally made it.
Huh?
Where's our pool? This is all they have. But we booked a big pool with a slide. We need your help.
Please?
Don't worry, I gotcha. I've got a big container right here and gorgeous gold tiles. Hot glue works best for this. I cut plastic straws to the right size, glue them side by side, and make a long panel. I shape the edges and attach it to the pool. Next, the ladder, adding step after step. Perfect. Time to build the slide. I attach another container to the side, bend it into shape, and glue it securely. Now I add guardrails and cross steps. So cool! Why not add more slides? For a tube slide, I take a flexible hose, cut an opening, spray it coral pink, and add a smooth insert so they can glide down. Attach the slide to a ladder. Do you think our family will like this pool? Let's find out. Whoa, it's huge! Time to fill the pool with water and add a flamingo floaty. Hurry, let's go swimming. Ah, this feels amazing. Look, I'm going down the slide. Super jump, 6, 7. Move aside, turbo slide incoming. Uh-oh, looks like Ginu got stuck. Let me help you out. There you go.
Thank you.
Thumbs up if you love swimming too. So, where's all the fun? The pool is completely empty. Yeah, and there are no slides!
Hey.
Don't worry, I'll organize everything now. I need a foam sheet and wire. I make a frame out of the wire and place it on the foam sheet. I cover it with hot glue to secure it and bend it into a slide shape. Now I need to make it silver. I take self-adhesive foil and cover the slide with it. I paint this part with silver glitter paint. We'll need 2 pieces and put the slide on them. I add a railing and edges and also make a ladder. Done! Here comes the confetti water. Hoppy, take the floaty.
Wow.
Hooray, a slide! I'm going down!
Yay!
I want to slide too. Woohoo! Fantastic! Girls, step aside. Here I go. Oops! Let me help. Woohoo! This is so great! You guys have so much fun here. Ruby and Jimmy ran straight to the amusement park. Wow, so many cool things to do. I want to try the arcade. Aw, no, I lost. I will win a plushie. Hey, come on. Why won't it work? I don't like these. Don't be upset. I know exactly what you'll love. I take a cardboard box and make 2 neat slits using a ruler as a guide. Glue the edges well. Cover with foam sheet. I highlight the slits with a bright contrasting color. The background gets grassy decorations. Now I grab a lid and cut a hole in the center. Insert a stick. Place it into the slits. And here come our characters, Derpy and Sassy. I attach the handles and decorate them with gems. The mechanism will move with strings. Turn the handles and… wow! Who will be faster? Amazing! Sassy won on my side. And who will win with the kids? Let's see. Wow, this game is awesome!
I call Sassy.
Okay. Turn the handles to race your characters to the finish line. We're ready. Go, Derpy, go! What a race! Who's gonna win? Just a little more. Yes! Yes, I won! Woohoo! Here's your prize, Ruby. Thanks.
What? I lost to my sister? Oh, that's so unfair.
Don't be upset. Here's a consolation prize for you.
Okay, thanks.
Hey, what are you guys doing without us? Wow, teddy bears!
Well…
We won these toys for you.
Woohoo! Awesome, thanks! Come on, let's go!
We should head back too.
Judy, Nick, let's play ball! Come on, let's play!
I'm worn out today. Me too. Oh. You guys need to rest. Here, you lie down on the lounge chairs. Thanks. Just what we needed.
I want to play! I want to have fun! I want to dive! Yay!
Yay!
Great! Come on, let's play! Catch the ball!
What on earth is this? No peace at all. Calm down. Here, hold these coconuts and relax. I have an idea. Oh, wait, Hoppy. Close your eyes. There's a surprise coming. I need a dental floss container. Now I take an orange foam sheet and cut a thin strip. Since it's not very bright, I color it with orange pastel. Next, I cut a small piece from a cocktail straw and wrap the orange strip around it. I insert it into the empty container and close it. Now I take some air-dry clay, cover the container up to the lid, and shape it like a carrot. Then I paint everything silver. I add a Hubba Bubba sticker, some leaves, and it's done! Here you go, Hoppy!
Wow, a silver carrot!
Wow.
There's gum inside.
What a great idea you came up with! Delicious! I want to pull it all out and blow a big bubble! Ooh, ah! Help, help!
Oh, I found a soft roller. It'll come in handy. I'm smoothing it out. Presto! Need a lot. I apply hot glue along the entire length of each soft roller and glue them together. I trim them a bit. I bend them to lift one edge. Then I apply gold paint and cover everything. I decorate it with rhinestones. It turned into a cool golden air mattress. And here are the floaty, the surfboard, flippers, a hat, and sunglasses. We put the hat on Derpy. Sunglasses too. Here's some coconut juice for you. Let's head to the pool. Mini Roomy, hold the float. Genu, hold the board. Cool. I'm off. And for you, Roomy, I made some flippers. What am I supposed to do with these? I want to sunbathe, not swim. Hooray! I finally made it. Yay, great!
I'm jumping! Move aside! Wow, I want more!
Roomy, come join us. It's fun. I don't want to swim. Come on, you'll like it. Okay, lie down on the mattress. This is fun. You were right, Genu.
It's gonna be even more fun.
Look what I brought. Straw is perfect. I'll make a bubble blower out of them. I mark equal intervals and cut small pieces. I apply hot glue to each and glue them together in a honeycomb shape. I have some leftover flower foam. Place the honeycombs on it vertically and trace around the bottom. I cut a thin strip and glue it around the honeycomb. Next, I take a small piece of straw and wrap it with gold tinsel. I glue it to the honeycomb. The bubble blower is ready. Here you go, girls.
Wow, it's amazing! Wow, that's awesome! Top-notch! I even have an inflatable floaty.
It's not golden, but we'll fix that. Wipe off the markings with a cotton swab, open it, and cut off the rounded parts. Take some gold slime, sprinkle some glitter on it, mix it thoroughly, and fill the float with it. Close all the parts, Apply a bit of glue and sprinkle glitter again. Cover the sides with gold tape. We've got a cool golden float. Here you go.
Help me onto the slide.
All right, mini roomie, go for it.
So high up here. I'm not going.
Oh my god!
Go, sweetie, I'll catch you. You've got this, we're here.
No, I can't. It's too high here.
Oh.
It looks like Mini Roomie needs some encouragement. Let's send some hype to Mini Roomie if you like this video.
Wow.
Now I feel like I can do it. I'm jumping! Woohoo! Awesome!
You're such a brave girl. We're so proud of you. I brought you some cardboard. Thanks. I'll draw a surfboard on it. Cut it out with a craft knife. Ginu, can you hold this? Okay. Thanks. Cover the board with gold foil. Then take some silicone nano tape and generously sprinkle gold glitter on the sticky side.
Wow.
Ginu, can you help me cut this? Of course. It worked. Decorate it with gold stars, and our surfboard is ready. Hey girls, I'm going surfing.
Huh?
Board in the water, me on the board. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Oh, my bad. Oh, it seems like something got stuck to me. I can't get it off! Help! Well, I'm gonna go. Hey, what's happening? Where's all this foam coming from? Look! Whoa, a foam party right on the plane! Woohoo!
I'm jumping in.
I love parties like this.
Look what I can do. Wow, how's that trick?
I want to do that too. Me too. Let's go.
Roomie, we should go. Huh?
What's happening over there? Hey guys, guess who I am?
You look like Santa Claus.
Yeah, we got it. And check out my little hat. You should see yourself. So funny. Hey, what are you doing here? I'm gonna catch you. What is happening? Party's over. We're landing soon.
We're ready.
Yay, vacation. Finally. Get ready. We're about to land. Yeah.
Yes!
Wait, is that a silver pool? Move out of the way. I'm jumping. Don't scream like that. What is this cringe? Unbearable.
Yay, the pool! I want to go in too.
Don't worry, girls. I have one for you, too. I'll take a plate and paint it gold. I'll need gold tape rolls. Let's wrap the edge with a golden ribbon. Now I'm cutting thin strips of golden tinsel and filling our little pool with them. Look how everything sparkles. The pool is ready.
Wow, the gold pool looks amazing. I'm going in first. So cool.
Zoe, is the water cold? Oh, wow, it's so warm. All right, I'm going in. Girls, make some space.
Let's take vacation pictures.
Let's take a selfie. Say cheese. That was not a good picture. Hey, Ginu, come here. We need help. Take a pic of us, please. Oh, okay, sure. All right, smile. Let's go. You got this. Here you go. Okay, let's see the photos. Oh no, what is this cringe? Do you guys see that?
Delete them right now.
Hey, we need your help. Take a cute pic of us, please. Of course. Smile. You girls look gorgeous. Ugh, it's getting kind of boring. I want some action. Right, guys?
Totally. There's not even a single slide in a real water park.
Hey, don't be upset. I've got an idea. All right, what do we have here? This is a cat scratching post. It's actually great for turning it into a slide. I cut a piece of adhesive foil, peel off the backing, and stick it onto the scratching post. Now I need to cover the slides. I cover them with silver foil of a different texture. For that, I'll take a shoe stand. I unfold it and place it under the slide so it stays steady. Let's also make the boys a ladder. I need silver tubes and a sparkly silver cord. I cut the tube, take the cord, and glue the tubes between them. Here's the ladder. I attach it to the slide. Done! The silver slide for the Saja Boys. Oh yeah!
Cool slide.
Yep, super cool! I'm going first. Go, Ginu! Move out of the way! Woo! Awesome!
Our turn.
I'm coming down! What? Oh, wait, I'm still here! Yes!
Guys, this is amazing. I'm next.
This is the best.
Let's all go together. Ready? Let's go.
Check this out.
And I can do this.
Head first! This is awesome. Hey, are you guys subscribe and tap the bell? Okay, time to get out of the water. We've been swimming forever. Is there only one lounge chair?
It's fine, girls. We'll all fit.
And where exactly am I supposed to sit?
Oh, wait, besties. I'll go grab something. Look what I found.
And what are we supposed to do with that?
Huh?
Can you make us a big lounge bed? Okay, girls, let's do this. For this craft, I take a cardboard box and gold fabric. I glue the fabric onto the box using hot glue. And add decorative gold trim. I attach 4 wooden sticks of golden foil curtain around the perimeter and tie them up nicely. Add a pillow, and it's done. Woo! This is like a whole king-size bed. I'm going first.
Now all of us can fit.
I could really go for a strawberry milkshake right now. Here you go, Rumi. And here you go, girls. Time for some skincare. And for you, Mira, your skin is gonna glow. Huntrix are enjoying their vacation. Such a nice breeze. I think I'm falling asleep. Hey, Rumi, wake up! Rumi, girls, wake up, it's party time! Up you go! I want to sleep. You're gonna sleep through the whole vacation? The adventure is waiting. Look, a whole party is starting. What party? Oh, come on. Look, the boys are already hyped. And you woke us up for this? I want to keep sleeping. We need to save the party. No problem. Whoa, what a ball. Let's turn it into a disco ball. I take silver adhesive foil and cut it into lots of tiny squares. I take 1 square and stick it onto the ball. You want to glue the foil squares as close as possible so there are no gaps. I'm almost done. Just the finishing touches. And here's our disco ball made out of ball and foil. Glue it onto the shiny silver cord. Wow, that's perfect. Let me show the guys. Look, what's a party without a disco ball? That is insanely cool. Here's our DJ deck. And a cool speaker, too. We're ready to start this party. Yeah! What? This track is fire. Girls, let's go.
The party's not boring anymore. Wow, it's so fun in here.
You guys really set it up here. Our party is getting seriously wild. Yeah! I want a DJ too. Yes, I'm a superstar DJ. Yay! Go, Rumi! Oh, watch this. Yes! What do you think? You're amazing. We love it.
Turn the volume up, we'll live every town, every laugh, every cheer makes the sky.
What an awesome party we ended up having. Totally unforgettable vibes. That was a legendary vacation. Whose trip did you like more? Drop your vote in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Bye-bye!